Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we've been sent a Peugeot, guys. Look at that. It looks like a Urus, this steering wheel, innit? Lamborghini Urus steering wheel, kind of. Yeah, if it didn't have that badge, it looks similar. But yeah, today we're gonna be reviewing for you. I was about to say Lamborghini Urus. So this is a Peugeot 2008 Allure 208 Allure PureTech SS automatic version, and it's a 2024 model, so it's pretty new, I'd say. It's only got 20k miles on it. And thank you Peugeot for letting me review this. I appreciate it. Right guys, so this is the interior, but first let's start from the outside. Okay, bye Peugeot. Right, so this is a SUV. There's your alloys, very big nice alloys, decent size on there. Thick tires, man, very thick tires. Look at that. And I love the whole design of this car is very beautiful. Let me do a wow. But yeah, the whole design of the car is beautiful. That's why they gave it. And the front is beautiful. Look at that, man. Imagine seeing that in the back mirror, bro. Shit yourself, man. Let me unlock the car for you so you can see the lights. Oh wait, I don't need to even do that. There's a button there. Look at that, man. We have these tiger stripes there. There's your normal headlights. Very nice and bright. Beautiful, guys. You have the big alloys again. Everything about this car is just beautiful. And there's your fuel tank. Massive. It's a petrol car. You unlock the car. Okay, and there's your tail lights, very beautiful. I love how it all blends in. Let me put the lights back on again. Look at that, man. It's all like got beautiful lights. Let me zoom out for you. Look at that, guys. Wow, it's a very beautiful car indeed. And you got twin exhausts, one there. Very beautiful, guys. Let me show you I've not actually seen the boot yet. Do I need to unlock the car? I have to. I think my brother locked it from inside the car. There you go. There's your boot, guys. And put the flash on for you. It's quite a spacious boot, isn't it, guys? I don't know if there's anything underneath. Oh, let's have a look. Yeah, so there's no spare wheel. You do have a wheel kit nut, whatever the hell that is. Locking nut set. I don't know why they have a spare locking nut in there. Yeah, it's pretty decent. And you also do get a light there, so that's good for once. Usually they don't give lights in there. Okay. Oh wait, is it automatic? Let's see. I don't think it is automatic one. No, it's not. There is a bit of a motor assist when you push it down, which is good. So you don't strain your arm on anything. Here you got your door. So in the back you got electric windows. Why is it laggy? Does it look laggy to you guys? Okay. So in the back you got your electric windows. Got speakers. Pretty decent amount of space in the back here. Got some cubbies here. You got two USB ports there. One's a normal USB and one's a USB-C. So charging. And then you got windows in the back there. So here's one of the bad points of the car. Can you see how big the blind spot pillar is? This pillar here, massive blind spot. Same on this side here. So you have these massive blind spots in the back. That's the only issue here. And here in the middle, it's not raised up too high, so you have decent room for the middle passenger. I think my videos are lagging a bit. Oh, that's better. Back to 60 fps. I don't know why I was lagging before. Okay, so here you have some nice design of the tiger stripes. You have all your controls here with all the window control to switch off the back passenger's control there. Your mirror controls. You got speakers there. The speakers are alright. They're not the best and they're not the worst. I'd say they're okay. So there's not a storage bin here. There's just like a hook, little bin there. And then that's your headlight controls, your alarm off for the interior. There's your pedals. And the seats, they're actually decent, they're comfy, they're not bad. And yeah, it's a manual control by everything. There's no electric control on the seats, everything's manual, so that's the thing. Now let me sit inside for you guys. Right, there's your vent. I love how it's designed, it's curved like that, looks very nice. There's you got digital dash there, and you have your normal screen there. So yeah, everything's very nice, gloss black. So far I've had only one issue with this. So while I was driving from Blackburn, the full dashboard restarted. No idea why, it's probably a software glitch. But for like 2-3 minutes I had no speedometer, no nothing. So I don't know what the hell was going on. So I had to just do whatever speed everyone else was doing, you know. Hopefully they were doing the right speed. So yeah, and there's your back mirror. And one good thing about this, it does have a rear wiper, obviously in the back there, yeah, which is good, because these new cars, they're trying to get rid of them all, saves them money. And yeah, so one thing I love is this bloody steering wheel. It's amazing, guys. Look at it. So you have your talk to it. This controls the dials on there. This is your volume up and down. This is your playlist, that's your source, so you can change between Bluetooth, radio, or whatever, and you can answer calls with this one. And this one controls your music, so up and down, so next and behind. Right, your engine start stop. So when I first got the car, it says press the brake and press the start button. So that's not the way you should do it. You have to hold down the start button, because when I was pressing the start button, it take about 3 clicks before it actually started. So yeah, they need to change the wording on that. It needs to be hold the start button, because then it starts every time. Because I was thinking there's a problem with the starter button or something. Ah, the vents are closed. All this time the vents were closed a bit, but no, we couldn't see it in the dark. Wow. Yeah, look, yours are closed as well. That's why we're not getting any air. Okay, so yeah, I do like these buttons, but I don't like the climate button. Like there's no physical button for it. That's a downside of this car. The screen's okay as well. You got a volume button, but everything's a bit far of a reach. I'm a long guy, I've got long arms. Look, I can barely touch it. Can you see what I'm saying? It's everything is very far away. That's the problem with this car. You got USB-C charging port there, and another USB-C. This one's for your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It doesn't have a It doesn't have a Android Auto wireless, but it does have Apple CarPlay wireless on this car. Like usual, most cars are like that. Your storage could be here, so you press it at the top. You can put in your phone or your glasses or whatever you feel like. But yeah, that's pretty nice area as well. Here's another nice area. What they should have done here was probably put a wireless charger pad, because it's quite big, and my phone did sit in there nicely before. And you got a 12-volt socket there to put whatever. And this is your gearbox, so when you start the car, it'll be in park, and then you hold it down to put it into reverse. Oh, no, you don't. You hold it down to put it into drive. You hold it up to put it into reverse. Alright, and your handbrake's on also, you know. So to start the car, foot on your brake, full start. Okay, and you get all the dials. I'll show you the digidash and all that. So here, there's your parking brake, there's your park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual. So if I press down now, we're in drive. Press up, we're in reverse. If I press it once, we're in neutral. Press it back on park, and then to get rid of the look at this, so fucking laggy. I couldn't even turn the music down while it was still loading the whole thing up. This is what I mean. Yeah, this system needs a bloody upgrade, man. It needs a big upgrade. Bloody, oh shit, don't do it. Yeah, it needs a big upgrade. There's something laggy about this system. That's why it bugged out the other day while I was driving. So yeah, to turn the handbrake off, that's what you do. To put it back on, press it again. And also, we had a parking brake failure before as well. This car is weird, man. Very odd. But yeah, you have 2 cup holders here. You got drive selector mode, so you got sports mode. So press up for sports, eco for down. And yeah, that's your digidash. You can have a what's this side, you control it within, yeah. So you got your dials, okay, your RPM, and that's like your normal driving. This one is for lane warnings and shit while you're driving. Minimum, that's just same as your normal driving. personal one. This is like you can make it yourself. So what I had on that was torque, RPM, boost, all that stuff. This one you have miles per gallon. So this is controlled with this one, yeah. So you press it there, you can change the screen. So as you can see, over 6,000 miles we've done 12 miles per gallon. So I told you this car's not very fuel efficient at all. Okay, what was I going to do next? Was there anything else to show on there? Personal 2 dials. We've showed all that, innit? Yeah, we just leave on dials. Okay, so yeah, the lights are very beautiful, they're very bright, can you see? And then here you got your climate control. So this is one of the downsides, all the climate controls are on the fucking screen now. So say I'm on my music, nothing there, because this is a screen I usually use just on the music bit. So then you have no control over the climate. So while I'm driving, I have to press it there, then quickly change it here, everything, change your fan speed. It's a big headache, extra headache for no reason. We should have just have proper buttons. That's one of the big downsides of this car. So you got your reset button there, all the fans off button there, AC max on there, hazards, your lock button. I was looking for the lock button for a while at night the other day, and I found it. It's weirdly placed, but it's okay. That's for your front defrost, back window heater. Have we gone over everything? The glove box, we know how to look over. Oh, it's quite big actually, decent size. And yeah, so to open the bonnet, it's actually on that side. Oh, shoot, we know how to look at the bonnet over. Okay, pop you open a bit and go have a look at the bonnet. Do you want to have a look? No? Okay. So let's see if it automatically comes up. Wow, 2024 Pro play car, and you have to bloody hook it onto them. What a, not even automatic struts. This is the engine bay. There's your big battery, massive battery, fuse box. There's your engine. It's quite a small engine. Oh yeah, it's a 1.2 anyway. Coolant, everything. So yeah, everything looks okay under here. It's only got 28k miles, so it's not terrible. But yeah, shit engine. Okay, I'll talk more about that in a bit. Alright. Alright guys, so now let me tell you the good points and the bad points of this car. Let me lock the car first, make sure no hobos come and track us. So one of the bad points is, should we do bad points first or good points? We'll do the bad points. Okay, so the car is very slow for a 1.2 litre with 128 horsepower or something. It's very slow, very slow. Like it's got big turbo lag as well, because it's I think because it's a small engine, they put a big turbo on it. So when you do get the power, it'll come at once, but that turbo lag makes it unbearable. The power is unusable. Okay, and the gearbox is another problem, because it's automatic. It's got a really bad automatic system on this one though. Sorry Peugeot, I have to tell you how it is. You said to say, yeah. So yeah, it doesn't sometimes know which gear to go into. So when I put my foot down, it should drop gears. Sometimes it'll be trying to go up gears again, like really quickly, instead of giving me the power and holding the gear. It's very weird. Sometimes it doesn't know what it's doing. So another bad thing is obviously the climate control has no buttons, like I said. So that's another headache. And the big blind spots in the pillars, I've already said that. So very dark inside at night, like I said. I said that in my driving video, but yeah, it's very dark in the night. At the moment I'm underground, that's why it's a bit light. But if you watch my point of view driving video, it's completely pitch black in here, and there's no tints on any of these windows. So imagine if this car was tinted. So yeah, they need some ambient lighting or something inside here. It's very horrible in here at night. Okay, and then the start button, like that was a bad thing, because when I was pressing it, it wouldn't start. You have to hold it down, but they don't give you that instruction. It says just press the brake and press the start button. So yeah, the wording needs changing there. That's just a software upgrade, I guess. Poor fuel economy for a 1.2 litre, as you've seen, 12 miles per gallon. It's not good, is it guys? Even when I've been driving it, the best I've seen is probably 30, and that's really bad for a 1.2 litre. It's a small engine already. So yeah, and then next one, the mirrors here, they have no bloody light. No lights in these mirrors, guys. What a useless piece of sorry guys. Right, so the good things about this car is it does feel luxurious. Like I said, you have the Lamborghini Urus style, whatever you call it. The outside of the body is beautiful, completely beautiful. There's not one panel on the car that I don't like. Like, it looks beautiful. And since I got the car, everyone was like, wow, it's so beautiful, wow. So yeah, it's got amazing headlights, like I said. The keyless start is good as well, because I don't have to put the key anywhere. I don't have to hold it, like put it into anything, so that's good. But it doesn't have keyless entry, which is good as well, because then it's safe from getting robbed, I guess. Better. It's very comfortable, and it sounds very good in sports mode. It's got a good rumble to it. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty decent. So yeah, overall, I would say get the car, but make sure you get all the software updates, because this system's a bit buggy. And the second thing is don't get the 1.2 litre petrol, get the 1.6 diesel. There's two versions. I believe one's a low power, one's a high power. Get the high power one, because you'll have more power, I guess. And you could always get a remap for more fuel economy if you need it. If you want the lower power one, you can also get that. It's decent enough, I guess. It'll be better than this anyway, because this engine makes zero sense. It's not good on power, it's not good on fuel. What's the purpose of it? It's nothing. Whereas the diesel, 1.6 diesel, you'll have power and good on fuel economy, so you might as well get the 1.6 diesel. But I'm not sure if it comes in the automatic. You'll have to check that. So yeah, overall, this car, as it's spec'd right now, I'll give you a 5.5 out of 10. But if you get the diesel engine and all that, I'll put it up to a 9, 8.5, 9, something like that. Because it is alright. There's a lot of things that needs doing though. So maybe in a future edition they'll do it. And thank you Peugeot for sending this out to review. We'll be going tomorrow, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.